Welcome to another iDoctor UK video. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at this Samsung Z Fold 3, and it's got a cracked back cover on there, and we're going to replace it with a genuine Samsung part. I'll link in the description for where we buy that part. It comes with the adhesive already attached, these nice films on it. It's the real deal. They're not cheap, but they're worth every single penny that you pay for these ones. So to start off with this repair, we'll power down the phone and then put it on the heat plate for the next 10 minutes. You can also use a heat gun if you've got one, or a hairdryer is usually available. Once it's had 10 minutes on there, we're going to take a razor blade and we're going to carefully insert it between the glass back cover and the chassis of the phone. Once it's inserted just a couple of millimeters like that, we could take some isopropyl alcohol and just add a couple of drops, and it will soak into the adhesive, loosening it up. Pry on the back cover a little bit and then insert a plastic guitar pick. Just a couple of millimeters, because we don't want to damage anything inside the phone whilst we're doing this, and just work our way around, prying upwards lightly and along the edge like that. Same along this bottom edge. Because this phone's nice and warm, there's no real resistance taking this back cover off. It's actually coming off really, really easily. Once we've worked all the way around the edges, we can just wiggle it and pull upwards like that. That's the hard bit out of the way, and that can go straight in the bin. The next step is to get this dust, grime, and leftover adhesive out of the way. To do that, we'll add a few drops of isopropyl alcohol again, all around the edges, and then take the horsehair brush to remove all the leftover adhesive. Be careful here not to brush over the cameras or get any dust on the camera lenses, because it will show on pictures if you don't. There's a small section here where the adhesive is a little bit thicker. We can take this little chisel blade and scrape that away. And then finally, we'll soak this clean room wipe with isopropyl alcohol and rub that along those edges that the new back cover is going to stick to. Now all the glue's removed, there's a very small dent in this bottom corner. I just want to make sure that the new glass is going to sit to it properly and not cause problems later down the line. So I'll just remove the film from the back of the camera there and dry fit it into place to check that it will sit properly. To me, it looks like it's going to be okay. Final step now is just to remove the plastic film and then secure it into place. I always lay it in a corner first and then work my way down, just like that. Just quickly inspect that corner, and we can see that it sits flush and it's neat, it's tidy. I'm satisfied with that. All that's left to do now is to remove these films from the back. And that's how we replace the back cover of the Samsung Z Fold 3. Thank you for watching.